This next recipe is going to take your next Sunday roast to a whole new level. It's ultra easy and very forgiving. It does take patience, yes, but you'll be rewarded with that tender meat lemony that can easily pull off. Serve with roasted lemony garlic, potatoes and carrots, and serve with lemon and garlic rosemary gravy. It's just perfect. Okay, dear boulders, let's do it. First things first, prepare the ingredients with your dried rosemary, your fresh rosemary, black pepper, garlic, and lemon. Lamb leg is one of the most delicious part of lamb. So I'm going to use a boneless lamb leg here, and then I'm going to cut a small hole and insert that fresh garlic and fresh rosemary leaf to infuse that flavor. I'm doing it all round, and I'm telling you guys, when you cook it, it's really helpful, and when you cut, it's lovely. Okay, it looks lovely. Then I'm gonna add on or season it with extra dried rosemary leaves. And then next will be my fresh peppercorn. And I'm just going to smash it for tiny pieces and then season it as well. Let's get the beautiful zest on that fresh lemon. Remember guys, our goal here is to create or make a delicious, authentic Greek style roast lamb. So basically it's more lemon and garlic. Just season it all around and get that fresh lemon juice on that lemon, and it's good. I have prepared 1 cup of lamb stocks here, and then we add on some extra virgin olive oil. Seal it with foil and roast it over 180 degrees temperature oven, and it's good. While waiting for our lamb for almost 2 hours, we do prepare our russet potatoes and carrots. Get the lamb over the potatoes and the sauce as well. Cover it with foil, same thing, and roast it for additional 1 hour over 180 degrees temperature. Same temperature is good. Look at that, we're almost there. So for finalization, because I wanted to get that golden crunchy color, so I'm gonna touch it with some butter and then bake it again for at least 30 minutes, and our roast lamb, it's just perfect. The presentation of the food makes it more delicious and appetizing in the picture. So let's give a quick presentation here. See that juicy, beautiful color. Isn't it lovely? It's complete. You've got that meat, lemony meat there with some lemony potatoes and carrots. It's totally, I tell you guys, it's really, really authentic Greek style roast lamb. I love it much. It's another fun of cooking level of Bold Cook TV. Thank you very much everyone. Kamsahamnida. Terima kasih sayang. Salamat po. Prive. Muchas gracias. Arigato gozaimasu. Kapkun kap. Come on. Shishine. And saying bye bye.